Hey, welcome again to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can build a profitable email list, and also I'll show you why the old methods do not work anymore. So let's get started. Um, Let me get this going. So why do you need an email list? You need an email list for so many things. First of all, you need to control the traffic. If you are depending on just Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn, you essentially do not own those channels. It is Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. Those are the companies that own that traffic. So any day they can just turn off the lights and your business is up in fire, up in flames, and you've lost everything. But if you have an email list, you can communicate with your clients, with your customers anytime you want, however you want. You are not being censored. Of course, you need to be responsible when when you're communicating with people. They've trusted you enough to give you their email address. So you need to be mindful of that, and don't spam them, of course. Do not overdo it. So you control the traffic, okay? And there is no dependence, as I said, on Google or Facebook or Instagram. So how do you build? The question is, how do you build an email list? There's several ways of doing it. Number one, you can use ads. Okay, so let's say you have something like a video series that you're teaching something, and you put an ad in front of your target audience. And if you don't know how to run ads, I have a video that I'll connect that I've already posted in this channel that you can see, you can watch on how to run ads on Facebook. Okay, so back to how. So you're gonna put a lead magnet. It can be a course, like a short video series that you are teaching people to do something, maybe how to create beads or necklaces, and you know that they will sign up to it because they want to learn, and from there you can start communicating with them. So that's number one. Number two is guest posting. So how do you do guest posting? This, you can be on a blog. So you can partner with, let's say, with a blogger that has your audience. Okay, and why do you want to partner with someone that has your audience? Because they already trust that person. It's easy for them to trust you if you've been endorsed by that person. Okay, it's easy for them to either give you, their email address or to give you their phone number. Okay, so whatever information that you want. Another is guest podcasting. So you can go to a podcast that has your audience, and you can do an interview. Then at the end of the interview or in the middle of the interview, you can give people a URL, your URL to sign up to your list. Okay, you see this happening a lot these days because podcasts have become very, very popular. Now, another method is selling a very low ticket item. And why do you want to do this? So let's say you are teaching guitar lessons. Okay, you can just sell a very low ticket intro to guitar lesson. So maybe you can sell this course or maybe a checklist for only $7. But what you are doing is you are making your prospects commit. You're making them to make a commitment first to give you a good email, because if they're going to spend money with you, they need to be able to, to get whatever you're giving them at a very low price. So it's going to be a good email, and also they're going to be warm because now they are comfortable spending money with you. Okay, so that's why some selling lower ticket item, it's a very, very good method of growing a profitable email list. So it might not be 2,000 people, but it might be 120 good people in your very, very good list. Okay. Then another method is creating a challenge. So you can create a challenge. So let's say you're a fitness coach. Okay. You can create a challenge helping, let's say, new moms, to, I don't know, maybe lose 2 pounds in 3 weeks. So it'd be a 3 weeks challenge, and the goal is to lose 2 pounds. So you're giving them a quick win. They get to know you, to trust you, to like you. Most likely they will be very engaged. Now, when the challenge is over, you can sell them maybe to your higher ticket program. Maybe it's a one-on-one coaching program, or a group program. That's how you create a very profitable email list. Number 6 is do a social media takeover. So let's say you are a fitness coach, okay? And you can partner with someone who is, let's say, a nutrition coach, okay? Because those two audiences overlap each other. Most likely people who are into nutrition, they enjoy fitness, and vice versa. So what you do is you partner with them, and for the 24 hours, you either doing guest posting on their social media, you are doing live videos, you are doing Ask Me Any Question, AMA, so you let their audience ask you questions and you answer them, and you'll have a link for them to sign, okay? So that is another method. So what tools do you need? There are so many tools out there, and this is when you'll do your own research and see which one works for you, where you are at your business. Most of these email autoresponders have free programs, free plans when you have, let's say, just under 1,000 people in your list. Okay, so some of the tools here, there is like ConvertKit. ConvertKit is really good. It has you can do a lot of advanced stuff in it, but still you can also keep it very, very basic. Okay, then there is a MailChimp, there is SendFox, MoSend, Aweber, ActiveCampaign, Constant Contact, and many more. So this is just scratching the surface. There is a lot of autoresponders, and most of them, they'll give you an ability to create sign-up forms, and there's different types of sign-up forms. There's pop-up forms, there's top bar forms, bottom bar forms, sidebar. So these are the examples. So this one will be just a static form on a page. Okay. I got this from okeydoke.com. This is Noah Kagan blog. Then there is this one that you kind of put at the bottom of your blog post or your page. You are offering. So like them here, they're offering. If you give them an email, they'll be sending you a new post every time they have a new post. Okay. This one, it will be a pop-up style type of a sign up form. Then that's it. So please check out the next video and let me know if you found this helpful. Bye.